Oh, I'm sorry. I thought this was the bathroom. I want a sandwich.
At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, Environment Canada has issued a marine tornado warning for over the Great Lakes. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following marine areas: Georgian Bay. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Tornadoes are often wrapped in rain and may not be visible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.